Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Comprehension. To remain relevant in an era of digital entertainment, museums have redesigned exhibits to include interactive technology. While critics worry this may reduce academic depth, attendance data show increased engagement among younger visitors without a corresponding decline in educational content. This paragraph best supports the statement that A. Interactive exhibits weaken educational value. B. Digital entertainment threatens museums' existence. C. Interactive technology can increase engagement without harming learning. D. Museums should focus exclusively on younger audiences. The correct answer is letter C. Interactive technology can increase engagement without harming learning. The passage directly counters criticism with evidence. Did you get it right?